Why? What is so different about our social structures that we can't call rape rape?
जब उसको चप्पल भी पड़ेगी तो उसको स्किन टू स्किन कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं होगा ना.
They have to be available all the time.
We're like Zomato and Swiggy.
क्या बकचोदी कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
There's this rapist who's traumatized a school girl, scarred her for life, and now the judge is saying कि तू उससे शादी कर ले तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. ये क्या चरस गांजा फूक के बैठते हैं क्या ये लोग?
Hey girl, what's up? Welcome to Hot Tub.
It's 2021 and we've seen a lot of new judgments that were passed in these past months, and we need to shed some light on those because they were so amazing.
Yeah.
Latest court judgments पढ़ के मुझे लग नहीं रहा है
कि हम 2020 में
It's more like 1821.
Speechless जो छोड़ दिया था, तो अभी हम लोग ने हमारी स्पीच गैदर कर ली और अभी हम लोग बैठ के हम लोग उस पर बात करने वाले.
The High Court had held the pressing the breast of a 12-year-old child without removing her top will not fall within the definition of sexual assault under POCSO, which is Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act.
You all are normalizing such a bad thing, and that itself like creeps the fuck out of me.
Supreme Court thankfully stayed that order and said, क्या बकचोदी कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
What thought was that she, made this as a judgment?
This is like pedophiles having a field day यार. पार्टी रखी होगी उन्होंने बाद में.
It's so scary for a lot of parents who read something like this, because your immediate thought is my child is extremely unsafe if this becomes a rule.
जब उसको चप्पल भी पड़ेगी तो उसको स्किन टू स्किन कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं होगा ना. When two people are living as husband and wife, however brutal the husband is, can the act of sexual intercourse between them be called rape?
Yes. Is this even a question?
Rape is rape, baba.
In India, we don't recognize marital rape.
No, that's all right, because he's a husband, he has the right to do
पति
it.
परमेश्वर.
Yes,
Sorry.
he can do that.
Because if husband wants sex, then the point is your consent is unimportant.
They have to be available all the time.
We're like Zomato and Swiggy, but like our delivery is okay, we have to open our legs and say.
तुम शादी करो नहीं करो कुछ भी करो, कोई भी पर्सन ये तुम्हारे साथ नहीं कर सकता. Whatever relation they share, how can you do this and how is this okay?
Consent क्या होता है?
What is
Consent
this?
ये हम adjust करते हैं.
Yeah, because also they say no, however brutal the husband is it still rape?
The word brutal is being used.
Pleasure का कुछ ये नहीं है, but मुझे मूड में हमेशा रहना है, जब भी वो मूड में रहे.
शादी हो गई है तो मतलब सब पे हक है.
Yeah. I don't get it.
That song.
This is exactly why I wouldn't watch Viva. At one point, Maneka Gandhi said that because of our socio-cultural norms, you can't have marital rape be called rape. Why? What is so different about our social structures that we can't call rape rape? हमारी इतनी क्यों फटती है? The victim had the perpetrator's name tattooed on her arm. The court observed that the victim couldn't have a tattoo of his name forcibly because the job isn't easy. But forced sexual penetration apparently is completely fine.
So basically, maybe at some point she was in a relationship with this man, and later she wasn't. But एक बार कर लिया ना,
तो अभी हक है.
कर लिया तो हक है.
हाथ पे नाम लिखा सकते हो, तो ये लेन देन तो चलना ही चाहिए.
I don't care. She could be seeing that man for 8 years.
And
After that,
even,
after
even
that
if she
they've
doesn't want
broken
to.
up, and now she doesn't want to do it, and the relationship's over. You can't say because we've done it 80 times, now I'm going to do it to you
One more time. Yeah.
forcefully.
I mean, it is scary. To be very honest, this is
So
supposed to be scary.
Then it becomes funny.
Like even if someone agrees for 10 times and they don't want to do it for the 11th time, they don't want to do it for the 11th time.
Anything that a woman says can be used against her as something that offsets her consent.
ऐसे rulings कैसे करके they expect कि okay we will be treated with respect, we will be given equal treatment.
Will you marry her? Supreme Court asked government worker in rape case.
मैं ये laptop उठा के फेंक दूंगी.
Technician with the Maharashtra State Electric Production Company, and he has been accused of raping a fucking school girl. Okay.
The Supreme Court is asking the man, if you want to marry her, we can help you. If not, you will lose your job and go to jail. 1 second, there's this rapist who's traumatized a school girl, scarred her for life, and now the judge is saying कि तू उससे शादी कर ले तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. ये क्या चरस गांजा फूक के बैठते हैं क्या ये लोग?
He's been given an option whether he wants to marry her or no because he's fucking raped her.
ये fucking पूरा देखो पता है किसके अराउंड रिवॉल्व होता है? The bloody इज्जत You know, हमको अपने जो रैप करके रखनी रहती है ना,
अरे तूने रेप किया, तेरी इज्जत गई, मेरी इज्जत कहाँ से जा रही है?
Let's just make this really clear. A criminal is being asked कि if you marry the person you have raped, then we will let go of the punishment. But the victim is not the criminal. The victim is the person who's been raped. And you are putting this person, this woman who when she was raped was a minor, under this severely traumatizing marriage. What the fuck is wrong with you?
यही रेपिस्ट से शादी, ये जो ऐसा चूतिया आदमी है, इसको रेप कर, बच्ची को रेप कर रहा है, बाकी और 10 औरतों को रेप करके आएगा, उसको जेल में मत डालो, इसको बच्ची के साथ बांध दो बंधन में ताकि वो उसका रोज रेप करे.
We're like इज्जत लूट गई है. So even if the person who wants to marry you is the person who has committed that crime, we're still okay with it because it will save the girl.
Typically, you know, it's very easy to say, you know, लोग बोलते हैं अरे लॉ तो लड़कियों के हित में है, but when you actually look at the law, whether it is the divorce law, whether it is the sexual abuse law जो हमने देखा, whether it is marital rape, you'll see that कुछ भी हमारे हित में नहीं है. And that's why when people say ना वो ये आगे आजकल की लड़कियाँ feminism चिल्ला रही, अरे क्यों नहीं चिल्लाएंगे? Because look at what you're doing to us.
Stop taking your honor and izzat and placing it in your daughter's, mother's and your sister's vagina. Just take it out of there. No, keep it.
इज्जत सिर्फ लड़कियों के हाथ में रहती है और वो अकेले ही फ्लैग बेरर्स है भाई.
We're carrying the big heavy load of everybody.
सबकी इज्जत हम ही कैरी कर रहे हैं. हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर. ये ले मेरी इज्जत तो रख ले अच्छे से, कल दे देना. हाँ बस.
Sitting and saying things like marital rape is not even rape. We're sitting and saying that skin to skin contact नहीं हुआ तो वो molestation नहीं है. We're sitting and asking raped women victims who are fucking traumatized to say that you marry your fucking rapist. So these are the laws that we're still coming up with. And again, I'll say this needs to change at the root level.
It's hard to believe that something like that is actually a reality and people are made to follow these bizarre rules with bizarre judgment.
Also needs to change with women. We also can't keep doing this and thinking that our mothers and our grandmothers and the mothers before them were right. If this is happening to you, you also have to stand up.
Please understand, you know, that you have a voice. You have to take charge of your own self and you shouldn't be submissive to anybody's opinions or actions.
If this is the thinking we have, then the law is just reflecting that. So that also needs to change.
We definitely need stronger laws and that protect the women, that believe the victim.
We at least can talk about it, we can be aware of it, we can tell people around us and we can say no, this has to stop. That can be our contribution.
If you like the video, share, like and comment and subscribe to Hotterfly. We make such videos every week, and please leave in the comment what all you would like us to react to, and also comment down below what change would you all like to see, you know, interact with us, and we would like to take this interaction forward and, you know, make another reaction video on that.
Yup, reaction to your reaction.